This is how you remove and install the outer casing of average. You have to take the display off. Screws. Make sure you undo the lid switch. And then what you're going to do, you're going to undo these two little guys to hold the body in place. Alright, now you're ready to take it off. Perfect, that was pretty easy. Now, the way that you put it back on is you open the lid, so you can see what you're doing. Put the front end first underneath the washer, and then make sure that you grab the back, that way it doesn't crush the water spout. Pull it towards you and let it down slowly. Pull it down. Now with the body back on and it's secure on the bottom, you now reinstall these guys that keep the frame in place. One. Make sure you hook up your lid switch again. And there's one. Oh, that one's already in. We're set. All done.
That's it. Take a quick look at it, make sure it